So how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Z Flip. If you want to take a screenshot in a foldable option, power button and volume down button together, then it will take a screenshot. And now if you want to this version, then volume down and power button together, then it will take a screenshot easily. And another way, if you want to take a screenshot with your control panel, then go to control panel, press on this pen icon, then press on edit. Now here you can see the take a screenshot option. Press on take a screenshot. Now you can drag and drop. Sorry, take a screenshot. Press and hold. Now set it like that. Press on done. Now press on done. Now here you can see the screenshot option. If you press on like that for this page, now open and press, then it will take a screenshot like that. Now if you want to take a screenshot with files, if you already logged into with your Google account, Gmail account, then just press the power button, take a screenshot.
I have taken a screenshot.
Then it will also take a screenshot. If you go to your gallery, then you can see all of your screenshot. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.